Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, this is an update on my lock journey. I started my locks in July of 2023, and I restarted them in August. I started off first as like a twist, just twisting it with my fingers. And then I took them out and I redid it with like the 2-strand twist, which I think worked out better. It is now, today's date is January 27th, 2024. And this is what it is now. It's a lot of budding going on, as you can see. And this is part of what they consider as the ugly stage. And I wear hats all the time. I don't usually do videos with headbands on, but I'm doing this one today to show more of it, to show more of my locks. And like I said, mostly it's budding. That's the process I'm going through now. Don't know how long the budding stage is gonna take where it looks like this, because everybody's journey is different. But I don't really mess with this part too much, the budding part. Sometimes I may take it and do it like this when I'm doing my hair to try to get it to blend back in together. But a lot of times I don't. I used to retwist my hair. I don't retwist it anymore. I interlock now. I did not bring the tool in here that I used to interlock. On my next video, I'll show that tool, but I interlock my hair now because I find it lasts longer and I don't have to retwist as much as when I interlock. I can let like a month go by, sometimes 2, when I interlock. So that's what I do. And interlocking, I'm planning on wearing dreads for the rest of my life. So I'm not worried about taking them out and combing my hair out and things. So I'm not worried about doing that because this is what it's going to be. And I used to be a wig person, but I feel like if I want to put a wig on, I can still put a wig on. But again, this is what they consider as the ugly stage that I'm going through. So, of course, I wear hats all the time. They're doing fairly well. They're doing fairly well. I could say that. And I don't usually put a lot on my hair because I wear hats, but now I'm getting to where I'm starting to put stuff on my hair so that it could, they could start shining, having some shine to them, because they can be look very dull and dry. Even if your hair not dry, they will look that, it'll look that way. So I want to show some of the products that I use now. And this is something that I do every single day. I spray my hair with glycerin and castor oil. I use this every single day, and I try to use it twice a day. And I put it in a spray bottle with water, shake it up when I'm going to use it, and just spray my hair. The hair loves the water. It grows quicker, and it's something about, water that our hair loves. I bought a shampoo. It's called Total Body Black Earth Shampoo. And from what I'm seeing, you can use this on your hair and your body. This was a little costly, and I'm not going to be buying this anymore. Once I finish with this, I'm not going to be buying it anymore because it really doesn't lather. I like lather on my body when I'm cleaning my body, and when I'm cleaning my hair. I like to see lather, and this doesn't really lather a lot, so I will not be using this too much longer. And whenever I run out, I'll start using something else. I use this conditioner here. It's called Moisture Recovery. This is a bit pricey, like 30 bucks. I only use this like when I wash my hair and I want a deep condition. I use this and I put this on my hair after I shampoo it and leave it on for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour just to try to get that deep conditioning. And This is Miracle Moisture Coconut Milk and Honey. This is a leave-in conditioner that I like to spray in my hair too. As I stated, I was not using too much at first to shine my hair because of the hats. And I didn't want product to end up in all of my hats. But I'm starting to now do it because I think I need to train my hair now as it's growing for everything, for the shine or whatever else I want to train it for. So this, and I'm going to have the links to the products that I use except for that shampoo because I won't be buying that anymore. But I'll have the links to the products that I use. I also use Palmer's. I use Palmer's because I have a lot of this because this is what I normally would use on my hair to grease my hair. So I have a lot of Palmer's. Olive oil growth therapy. And I just take it and I put it in my hands and I just rub it all through my hair, making sure it get down in the parts and down the scalp and around the ends. And I do that like, you know, when I wash my hair, and I do it in between washing, maybe once a week or once every 3 or 4 days. And I also use this lock booster. Just started using this lock booster. So I use this more as a edge control. I use it as an edge control. It smells really good. All of this stuff smells good. But I use it more of as an edge control to put it on my ends. And so I rub it in my hands too and just rub it all over my hair. So like hopefully like in a couple of months, a few months, the shine will come through, and when I come back, it'll be more shine because it still has a dull look because I just started the process of getting shine. But this is Lock Booster, and I thought I saw where it said something about castor. Okay, say with natural castor oil. Okay, and I like using castor oil for the hair. Castor oil is good for not just hair, it's good for a lot of different things. So these are the things and the products that I'm using right now. But I'm loving the journey. I'm loving the growth. I'm not too much worried about the budding and how this, you know, looking right now, because this is exactly what it's supposed to be doing, and this is exactly how it should be looking. I do see growth every time now, especially like when you retwist your hair, you can see growth, but a lot of times when you retwist, it kind of unravels. So you may not really know if your hair is actually growing or not. When you do interlocking, you're getting it and it starts right from the root. So as it grows down, you can tell the growth, and you can see the growth anyway. You can see the growth. But again, this is what they consider as the ugly stage, and I don't really like it either, but I'm loving the journey because I know where I'm headed, and I know where it's going to, according to a number of people that have locks and a number of videos that I've watched. But I just wanted to come back because I did do 2 videos when I very first started, and then when I restarted, which was very close to each other, July and August. So this is now January, so it's like 5 months later, and I just wanted to come and give an update of what I'm doing, what I will be doing, and share the products with you that I'm using and going to be using, just in case you guys are interested in it. So I'll be back soon, maybe a few months or so, or however, but I will be back to continue to update my journey, and so far I am truly loving it. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.